DJ Civil Rights checking in. We're at the Chosen Ministry. I can't remember what park we're at, but just know that we're out here doing it real big. Do you know the park? Johnson Park. You know, it's so exclusive. Global Kingdom TV. All right, hold on. I'm gonna switch it over. Oh, my wife is here. How convenient. Oh, okay. She don't ever want to be on the camera. All right, so I got my hubby Superman with me today. So what it do, bro? How you doing?
Good, doing good, man. You know, we just got done dancing, you know, praising the Lord, sending a message, so doing pretty good right now.
And how did you get started in dance, bro?
Well, it all happened as in, I seen a lot of people just, you know, go out there and do it. Nobody just big influenced me. It's just something that's always been, something I always wanted to do since birth, you know. So when I got older, I pursued it more and more, and it's like a burning desire that won't go away.
For sure, for sure. How did you link up with the homie Batman?
I met Batman, I say, about a year or two ago. You know, we like a dynamic duo. Ever since I met him, we've been like brothers, never can separate us. But he came on the dance team right when we was finna do what we call patriotic service. You know, it's a bunch of people come from different places for a service, for the message, and we dance and whatever. So I met him about a year or two ago, and he's been helping me stay strong, and I've been helping him stay strong.
For sure, for sure. And lastly, how can people check you out? Like, I know you're always dancing at Chosen, you everywhere, man, you know. So how can people check you out?
Well, I'd probably say my main source right now would have to be you know what I'm saying? You got a whole bunch of videos on me, so you can check that on Lock and Leon or DJ Civil Rights or Global Kingdom TV. You know how we doing it right now. Different episodes, you gotta check those out. You'll see me, Batman, even DJ Civil Rights getting down, so that's most definitely a looker. For sure, for sure. And with my homie right here, he gotta get on the camera and tell a little bit about how God put him in the ministry of dance.
Well, I mean, I've been dancing for a while. I mean, first I just started as a freestyle dancer, you know, just doing it for me, not for the Lord. But I mean, I found out about Mr. Tosh's dance team and Chosen, so I came through, looked at it, and I just had a new aspect on dance. Like, the Lord gave me this gift, so I'm gonna come and, you know, pursue it better for the Lord, become better in my dancing and give more back to the kids. I mean, if you love to dance, why not do it for the Lord?
For sure, for sure.
So I mean, that's all I got to say on it.
For sure, for sure, for sure. And my next homie, big time dancers, check them out at Chosen every Thursday.
For those that are hungry,
go ahead and
let
us know how you got started
come over
in
to
the
the
dance
picnic
crew.
area. We're going to be giving away some hot dogs. So go get a dog, get some mustard, get some drinks from the cooler, get a drink.
That God chose it. Since you was born,
Lord bless
everybody
this
had
food.
something
Thank
new
you.
in their life to pursue.
A wonderful day, Lord Jesus.
Either singing,
awesome God.
rapping, dancing, or just helping anybody just to get a new, better life. If you come in here to show everybody that you can do anything, if you put your mind to it. Like me, I thought I couldn't do it. Now look at me, I'm doing it.
For sure.
Like I love to dance like my brother Jonte, but you know, if you can't dance, you just go out there and learn something. Just try to do something new with your life.
For sure, for sure. And lastly but not least, how can people check you out? You know what I'm saying? I told you every week people can see you at Chosen on Thursday nights from 7 to 8. But you know, do you have any YouTube videos? You know this is going on YouTube, so that's one right there. But how can people check you out? You got MySpace or something? Go ahead and tell the YouTube viewers your MySpace.
My MySpace is Antonio Porter 83rd at yahoo.com.
For sure, for sure. Thanks, big man.